very warm and soulful good morning to respected manager sir, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today we all are here to celebrate India's 78th Independence Day, a day to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, a day to recommit ourselves to the values of liberty, equality, and fraternity, and a day to look to the future of our nation. Our freedom fighters have faced adversities with unflinching determination, making countless of sacrifices to secure our independence. As today we stand on the crossroad of unrest and independence, it is very important for us to reflect on the values that are embodied by our freedom fighters. Today, we are privileged to be a part of an independent nation. But we must never forget that with privilege comes responsibility. As the torchbearer of independent India, it is our responsibility to uphold their legacy. We must always put forward our nation in our actions, decisions, and aspiration. The theme of Independence Day 2024 is Viksit Bharat, stands for Developed India, reflecting on government's aim of making India a developed nation by the end of 2047. The theme aims to improve India's global standing by promoting its social progress, economic growth, and sustainable development. As a part of the celebration, the Ministry of Defense, in collaboration with MyGov, has initiated a series of engaging activities to inspire a patriotic fervor among the youth and the masses. The Defense Ministry has also organized a massive 15 lakh tree plantation drive across the country. All these initiatives are taken up to commemorate the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, to unite the Indians in celebrating the spirit of independence. So, with our heart filled with pride, let us salute our beloved motherland, honoring its 77 years of treasured freedom. Let us all pledge to be responsible citizens, working and contributing towards the growth and development of our India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.